Do you want to know how you can log into your Rytr AI account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Rytr AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Rytr AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Rytr. Go ahead and click Start Writing and it will take you to this page where you can sign up or you can log into your account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and sign up, or else you can go ahead and click Sign In Now and you can see this login portal. This is the official login portal of Rytr.me, also known as Rytr AI. Now you can sign in using your email address. Write down your email address in this box, your password in this box, and then click sign in. This way you can sign into your Rytr AI account. In case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password back. If you want to skip all of this and want to log in using your Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn account, you can choose any of these. So, in case you want to log in using your Google account, go ahead and click Google and then choose your Google account and then click continue to sign in with Rytr AI. This way, in a while, you can notice that you have logged into your Rytr AI account using your Google account. So go ahead and complete the process. Go ahead and choose the apps you use and then you can use it. Go press next. You can start writing or you can get the extension on your browser as well. I hope this video about how you can log into your Rytr AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.